Hi, it's Bonnie from Three Birds Renovations, and I'm at a beach house that we've just renovated. I want to show you the tiles we've chosen from Amber. Okay, starting in the kitchen, we've used these hue clay tiles, and they are the most beautiful colour, but what they actually allow is you to bring in other colours as well. We've got the green marble bench top. We've even got the blue in the painting, which works absolutely beautiful with them. The brass in the handles here, and this was just, I loved this, and we actually ran the tile across the front face of this range hood with this tiny little gorgeous detail. Finishes it off perfectly. We've also used the same colour tile in the laundry, on the stair riser, and for the fireplace mantle. Now, by using the same tile in different ways and locations, it just shows consistency throughout the home. Moving into the ensuite, we've created a feature wall using a diamond pattern, pairing the hue ocean and the hue clay tiles. Then on the other walls and floors, we've balanced that out with a travertine ivory larger format tile. So in this bathroom, we wanted to have a little bit of fun, and we've gone with a border pattern on the walls and a version of the checkerboard pattern on the floor. And you can probably see we've repeated the same tiles here again as the kitchen, the mantle and the staircase. If you're not sure about using patterns with your bathroom tiles, borders in feature tiles and checkerboards are always great timeless options that help create interest. Amber has a huge range of gorgeous indoor and outdoor tiles, from heritage classics to the latest trends. Plus, they can help you along the way, including in-store samples and expert advice. Head in store or shop online to check out Amber's extensive range for every room in your home.